Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show how to turn on the Bluetooth on your Windows 10 PC. So firstly friends, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you to subscribe to my channel down below and then press the bell notification to get daily updates in my channel. So friends, let's start directly through the tutorial. So friends, if you want to turn on the Bluetooth in your Windows 10 or any desktop, laptop, PC, so let's start directly through the video. Please make sure you watch my mouse as well as I'm talking to you guys. So friends, firstly you go to your search bar in here beside the Windows Start button. So in here you click on Bluetooth. So firstly you need to type in here Bluetooth. So friends, watch it carefully the video and watch till the end without skip, so you will miss the notifications for this video. So firstly you type in BLUE. So after that click on the first option in here, settings. So after you click on this settings, this bar will show up in here. As you see, it's still running, so wait for some time. So after that, as you see, there are a few more options in here: Bluetooth audio devices and other devices. Like you need in the first option is Bluetooth, second one is audio. So you can select in here Bluetooth on and off. So friends, this is the first method. The another method is from down here. As you see, there is a Bluetooth logo in here, so you can click from here and then turn on your Bluetooth like this. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, please make sure you to subscribe to my channel down below and then please subscribe. So let's meet in another video. Thank you.